Your travel blog is thriving with readers eager to share their stories and experiences. But what happens when submissions start piling up? Some brilliant, others not so much. That's where Fluent Forms Admin Approval feature becomes your secret weapon, letting you maintain top-notch quality without breaking a sweat. So, how do you set it up? Before anything else, go to the Integration tab of Fluent Forms Pro and enable the Admin Approval module. Once activated, head over to the Global Settings to set up the feature. Now, from here, you get to decide who gets the mail for the approval. You can either go with the default option, which is Site Admin Email, or feel free to use the custom option to get the mail in your preferred address. Then, personalize the subject line of the email. And although Fluent Forms offers a well-crafted email body, you have the freedom to tweak or rewrite it entirely, thus ensuring you have complete control over it. There's also a handy option to manage declined or unapproved entries. For instance, you can set it to automatically delete submissions that haven't been approved within a certain time frame. Tailor this setting to fit your workflow, then hit save to lock in all your preferences. In the next step, take the post form you want to enable the approval feature. Go to the form settings and enable the admin approval feature. This works as a filter that lets you review every submission before it goes live. This not only ensures full control, but at the same time helps maintain the quality of your content. When someone submits a story, you'll get a notification. Now it's time to review their submission. Check the content for quality, relevance, and whether it follows your blog style. Are they engaging enough, or does the added element provide value? This ensures your blog maintains a certain consistency and your readers find them appealing. After a thorough review, you get to decide which one you want to keep. If it's good to go, simply approve it and it will be published. If it doesn't follow your standard, decline it. But don't stop there. Provide some feedback so the contributor knows what to fix. By using the admin approval feature, you're not just keeping things organized, you're also building trust with your audience. They'll know your site is a reliable source for well-curated, high-quality travel stories. So, conquer your audience and maintain the quality of your site's content with the help of Fluent Forms Pro.